Or Fordyce versus Seattle.
Where the federal court ruled that you cannot be trespassed from city, county, or state ID? Property.
Have I committed a crime?
What's that?
Have I committed a crime?
Right now, no, you have committed a crime. This is committed a crime.
I was made aware of you guys taking photos of our stuff down here. You know, basically, by the way, you are on camera, so you guys are aware of that. So,
Sorry, you're being live streamed too.
That's fine. As long as you guys are on the public street or the public area, that's fine. We have no issue taking photos. But the problem is, as soon as you start getting up to our facility,
we're okay as long as we're on the sidewalk. We know the law, sir, so don't even come try to play that.
I'm explaining something. Do you want to speak or do you want me to speak?
I'd rather speak because I know the law, and I know as long as we stay on this public sidewalk, we're fine.
Right.
We have
until the integrity of our facility.
No, sir, you cannot make photography. You know Penal Code 148.g?
Okay. You hear what I'm saying?
Do you understand 148.g? Just answer my question.
Why don't you tell me what the penal code is?
Well, it's about photography of public officials.
If you want to ask me what it is, tell me verbatim so you know your legal code.
Okay. What problem do you have with us standing in public property?
Like I said,
can you trespass my eyes? I'm just asking you. Can't trespass what I see, and I'm just in a public area.
Right. You hear? I'm trying to explain something to you. Okay. Right now, we were made aware that you guys were taking photos of the facility. Like I said.
Our facility. It's not your facility, it's our facility. We're taxpayers. We fund this, and we also pay you guys. So it's our facility.
If you come on the ground of the facility, you will be taken for trespassing, you understand? Are you aware of that?
Are you aware that to tell me, I'm 50 years old, to tell me that if I'm going to do something that I haven't done, obviously if I haven't done it, it's because I know not to do it.
Okay.
So I don't really need your instructions. And I don't really need you to tell me what to do as long as I'm doing lawful. You shouldn't even approach me if I'm doing something lawful.
And Sergeant Sturgeon,
so,
actually, we can go on to any city property.
I just went inside your station and recorded in there.
To the public.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
That's none of your business. Like I said, I can enter any area of this facility that's open to the public. I can go into the lobby. I can go on the front steps.
Until you're asked to leave.
No, I have to commit a crime.
That's not true.
Yeah, I have to commit a crime.
Absolutely not true. If you're asked to leave our facility, then you're asked to leave. Then you will be trespassing if you do not leave the
facility. Only if I commit a crime.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah, can you please leave us alone?
You're dismissed.
Yeah. That's a statement. You're dismissed. Thank you. Both of you guys are dismissed. You can go now. We don't need you guys no more. You know how dumb it sounds for you to come tell us when we're not doing nothing a lot? With all the stuff that's happening, for you to come and tell us not to do something, it's like prior restraint. It's like, don't do this because we might. It's like, that's not how it works.
I would advise you to look at Ms. Umeki versus the United States.
Or Fordyce versus Seattle.
Where the federal court ruled that you cannot be trespassed from city, county, or state property unless you've committed a crime.
So, nice try, though.
Is that a department-issued phone, or is that your private personal phone?
This is a department-issued body camera. Okay, so, like I said before, as long as you don't go on our property, it's not an issue, okay? Like I said, I was just made aware by our dispatch that you guys are down here, and that's why I came down to talk to you. All right, are we good? Have any issues?
We're good. Nope.
All right, cool. Thank you.
What would you do if an officer warned you to stop filming while you were standing on a public sidewalk? This encounter centers on the First Amendment, which generally protects recording government officials performing duties in public when it does not interfere, and on the Fourth Amendment, which limits government interference without lawful justification. From the officer's perspective, protecting the security of a police facility is a legitimate concern. From the citizen's perspective, remaining on public property and recording peacefully may be constitutionally protected. The legal question is not simply whether filming occurred, but whether any lawful basis existed to restrict it. Subscribe to ID Refusal Pro and join thousands learning their rights with ID Refusal Pro.
I'm contacting you to make sure you're not America's Most Wanted and what you're doing here.
No, I'm not America's Most Wanted.
What's that?
No, I'm not America's Most Wanted.
Okay, you got ID?
Have I committed a crime?
What's that?
Have I committed a crime?
Right now, no, you haven't.
Do you suspect me of having committed a crime?
It's a possibility. That's why I'm here. I'm conducting an investigation.
what crime do you suspect me of having committed?
I do not know if you're casing for children in the area. I do not know if you're casing to burglarize houses. Okay. So that's why I'm here talking to you. Okay.
I can understand that.
Okay. So are we going to go round and round and round, or are you going to
No.
give me your information?
No. I would love to answer all your questions.
Okay.
I would just like to do so with my lawyer present. So this is my lawyer's contact information.
Okay, whatever.
I would be happy.
I don't call lawyers. I don't wait for them to come out.
I'm just letting you know that I would be happy to answer any and all of your questions with my lawyer present only.
Okay. So where's his office? Let's drive there then.
You can give them a call right here.
Okay. I don't do that because I don't know who that is. So you're going to give me your information?
I'll give you my lawyer's information, and
Are you going to give me any of your information?
Not if I haven't committed a crime.
Then you need to leave.
For what purpose?
Because you're parked in front of the school zone, okay? And again, if you're not going to identify yourself and tell me who you are, we'll go round and round and round, but you need to leave this area if you want to park somewhere else. Okay?
So even though I'm not illegally parked, I'm just trying to get an understanding here, sir. So even though I'm not illegally parked, even though you don't suspect me of having committed a crime.
Well, that's why I'm here trying to figure out.
Well, you're...
And you're playing this game with me that you don't want to give me your information.
I'm not playing
Because if you haven't committed any crimes, and you're not America's Most Wanted, you don't have any warrants, you would say, sure, no problem, officer, here's my information, so we have no issues, I'll get your information, I'll run your record, make sure that you're not America's Most Wanted, and you won't let me finish talking, and then we'll be done.
I just understand what my rights are, and California is not a stop and identify state.
If I have a call that they believe some kind of I suspect possible criminal activity, I'm here to investigate it, which means now you're detained, okay? Because I'm here. You were the one that was described. This is the van that was described. This is the license plate that was described. Okay. Is this your van?
Again, I'll be happy to answer any and all of your questions in the presence of my lawyer.
Do you just want to play this game all day?
No.
Because I'm here till midnight. We can sit here and do this all day.
We can do this as long as you like. I'm just stating for the 4th or 5th time, I would be happy to answer any and all of your questions in the presence of my lawyer.
And then I would be happy if you left.
Understandable. I will.
Are you going to leave?
Well, first I'm going to contact my lawyer as soon as I disengage with contact from you.
Let me ask you a question. Why is it that you don't want to give me your information? Why?
Because I'm not required to by law.
If this is an investigation, you are.
And again, what crime do you suspect me of having committed? You can't. You've stated 2 or 3 times that you don't suspect me of having committed any crime.
No, I didn't state that. I said, do you have? I don't know if you've committed a crime.
That's I asked you if you inspect.
Okay, listen. You're making everybody nervous in this neighborhood. I don't want to go around and around with you. If you live out of your van, fine. Okay? You need to park somewhere else, not in a school zone. Okay?
Okay.
Can you do that?
I am capable of doing so.
Are you going to move your van?
Yes, may I
Then we can finish talking.
May I get
Because I don't want to go around and around with you for 3 hours because you think you know the law better than I do.
I don't. I just understand my rights. Is it possible to get your name and badge number and this officer's
Yoder,
name and badge?
6706. Write it down.
And officer, what is your name and badge number?
Italian.
Yep. 4839?
Yep. 7057.
Oh, 7057 and Italian? Yep. Thank you very much.
If an officer orders you out of your vehicle during a traffic stop, do you have to comply immediately? This encounter raises questions under the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, while recognizing that lawful traffic stops involve temporary detention. The driver argues that he has already provided identification and requests a supervisor before exiting. The officer maintains that the stop requires compliance with his commands and warns that refusing to exit may lead to forcible removal. The legal issue is not simply whether someone requested a supervisor, but whether the officer's order and the driver's response were lawful under the circumstances shown. Subscribe to ID Refusal Pro and join thousands learning their rights with ID Refusal Pro.
Hello, how you doing?
Fine, how are you tonight, sir?
Fine, and you?
Can I get your name real quick, ma'am?
What's the articulable?
What's that?
What's the articulable probable cause?
The articulable probable cause
yes,
is that
sir.
your license plate isn't properly displayed.
It is, sir.
No, it's
you
not.
can see
You
it.
have to have it. mounted horizontally to the vehicle.
You can see it, sir.
I couldn't see it until I was right.
Well, you
behind
hear
you
it. You
getting
see
out
it
of the car.
now, sir.
Well, I'm not going to argue that.
What crime has been committed, sir?
I didn't
What's your
say a
badge
crime was
number?
committed.
Can I get your
So
name
what's the
and date of
emergency?
birth, please?
What's that?
What's the emergency?
What crime did I
There is no
commit?
emergency right now. Sir.
Okay, so can we be on our way?
No, you cannot.
I don't have improper registration.
Where are you folks headed to tonight?
Well, there's not a license plate on your vehicle.
The license plate is in
Minding
the
our
window.
business.
Okay.
Okay.
What state is it out of? I
Alright.
can't read it.
Yours and her business?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Minding our business, sir. And we'd like to be on our way. What's your badge number? What's your name and badge number, by the way, sir? And his too.
Beatty, 412.
412?
412, sir.
What's your name again?
Beatty.
Beatty.
Yep. What's your name, sir?
Huh?
What's
Mike.
What's that?
Michael.
Michael? Michael,
sir.
you got your ID on you by chance?
What's the articulable probable cause,
I'm
sir?
just asking if you have it, sir.
That doesn't matter, does it? Does it matter?
I'm asking, do you...
Does it matter,
Easy
sir?
question, sir. Do you have your ID on you by chance? Yes or no?
Can I see your ID?
My ID?
Yes.
Right there.
Can I? You got any followable other ID I can see?
Not on me right now, sir. Just this. My name tag is displayed right here.
And the reason, what crime has been committed, sir? Or what crime do you suspect us
You
of
already went over
committing?
that, sir.
Well,
You
I
said
don't
your
have to
name's
show
Michael.
you.
Michael, what's your last name? Okay. All right.
I told you, man.
That was the same car?
I already knew it was the police how they was driving. I used my blinker. See? This is why I didn't want to come out.
I'm sorry, baby.
You listen to me. Why I didn't want to come out.
Yeah, baby. It's a
You
holiday.
don't care.
I do be caring, baby. I ain't, you know, I don't never wish no shit like this.
No stuff. Maybe I should have kept straight. See? I don't got time for this.
Is that a harmonica?
Yep. You want to blow it?
Do you play it? No, I don't.
I can play a little bit.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
How long you been playing for?
Just not. I just started.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Nice. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Where'd you come from? Are you a supervisor? Because he wasn't just here.
Yeah, I just showed up.
Yeah. Where from?
Where from?
Yeah, why'd you
We're
come?
over on
Why'd you come?
Beach Daily and
Beach, that's a long ways away from here,
know.
guy.
I know. What's that?
Yeah, I said that's a long ways away from here,
It
guy.
is.
Yeah. What's with the lights?
You what?
What's with the lights?
What's with the lights?
Yeah, what's your name and badge number?
My name's Trooper Balester, sir.
Trooper, huh?
Yeah, my flashlight is so I can see inside your vehicle.
Yeah, well, I only have a flat harmonica
Yeah,
in my phone.
right. So that's why I want to make sure that it's only a harmonica, right?
Yeah, you right.
Yep.
So what's with you seen that already?
I'm sorry?
You seen that already?
I did.
Yeah.
I just wanna
What's your
make
badge
sure
number
that's what
now?
stays in your hand. Huh?
What's your badge number?
821.
821 officer. What now?
Trooper Balestri.
What's the articulable probable cause?
I'm sorry?
What is?
Oh, it's not my stop. So
Oh,
get yourself
okay.
out.
Where's the supervisor?
I'm sure it's that plate you have in the back.
Hey,
It's not left
well,
turn
I
proper.
ain't hip. I'm not hip, sir.
Huh?
I'm not hip.
I can't hear you.
The state is fictitional.
Really hard to hear.
The state is fictitional. They cannot make up laws against people's rights to travel and license them and charge them for these such things.
Right.
Yes, right. Or are you willing to go on the record and say that I'm wrong? For
Yes.
facts?
Yes.
Okay. Say that your name again.
I already told you my name. Keep repeating it.
And you say that people do not, individuals do not have the right
You do
to
have a-
travel
You do?
without being licensed.
No, you need a license.
Is that what the Supreme Court says?
I'm
sorry?
Is that what the Supreme Court says, sir? Is that what you swore oath to, sir?
That's what the
Is this stop?
says.
You swore oath to the Constitution, right, sir?
I did.
Is this stop inconsistent in any way with and how with the Constitution? And you know, this is going to be on YouTube, sir. This video is going to be on YouTube.
Good.
And your face is on it.
Ecstatic.
Huh? Yeah.
I'm ecstatic. Yeah, as far as
As far as you know, as far as you have faith, and as far as you know,
faith that my partner here made a valid traffic stop, which, as I can see, that
I can understand that.
plate, which
I
is
can
probable
understand
cause to
that.
stop you. Yes, sir.
But did we commit a crime?
So far, it's a civil infraction.
Did we commit a crime? That's all I ask, sir. It's a yes or no question. This is yes or no question.
Your driver, they're not identifying herself. That
If only way she has to identify herself is if she's committed a crime. Did she commit a crime?
Yes.
What's the crime? May we have that for the YouTube video? Tell us and all the people around the world what this crime is, so we can all know and be informed.
What?
Tell us, me, her, and all our YouTube viewers what this crime is, so we can all be informed, sir.
I did, sir.
You didn't tell me much of nothing, sir.
All right.
So will you give us some tickets or something and let us be on our way?
Let's get my partner back here.
Okay.
I'm sure to make sure that everyone's acting.
After reviewing all 3 encounters, one pattern stands out. Every interaction became more difficult when legal expectations were not clearly communicated. In video 1, both sides remained relatively controlled, but disagreement centered on public photography and access to government property. Police, B. Citizen, A-. In video 2, the dispute escalated after repeated requests for a supervisor and refusal to exit the vehicle, increasing the possibility of force. Police, C+, Citizen, B. In video 3, the discussion shifted from a traffic stop to constitutional debate, extending the encounter without resolving the original issue. Police, B-, Citizen, B-. Across all 3 videos, the most effective approach is consistent. Remain calm, communicate clearly, avoid unnecessary escalation, and understand the legal limits that apply to both officers and citizens. Subscribe to ID Refusal Pro and join thousands learning their rights with ID Refusal Pro. Click the video now appearing on your screen to continue this series and explore more real-world legal breakdowns across the ID Refusal Pro library.